Hello guys, this is Nishtha. Welcome back to my channel NEET Exam Prep with Nishtha. So please subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to get notification first. So today we are starting our new topic, respiratory organs and human respiratory system. So start with the first previous year question MCQs. So the process of exchange of O2 from the atmosphere with CO2 produced by the cell is called. So our correct option will be option number D, both A and B. So moving to the next question, question number 2. Which of the following has no specialized respiratory structure? Crab, earthworm, salmon, ant. So our option will be B, earthworm. So moving to the next question, question number 3. Mechanism of breathing vary among different groups of animals depending mainly on others. A. Habitat. B. Habitats. C. Level of organization. D. Demand of situation. So our correct answer will be option number B, because the different groups of animal depends on the level of organization and their habitat. So moving to the next question, question number 4. The tissue respires refers to A. Inspiration, B. Expiration, C. External respiration, D. Internal respiration. So our correct option will be D. Internal respiration. Moving to the next, common feature of human and insect trachea is A. Non-collapsible wall, B. Supporting rings, C. Ectodermal origin, D. Endodermal origin. So correct option will be A. Non-collapsible wall. So moving to the next question, conduction part of the respiratory system is formed A. From external nostrils up to the initial bronchioles, B. From external nostrils up to terminal bronchioles, C. From external nostrils up to the duct of alveoli, D. From external nostrils up to the alveoli. So our correct option will be option number B, from external nostrils up to the terminal bronchioles. Next question, in humans the respiratory control centers are located in. So answer is option D, brain. So moving to the next question, the respiratory or the exchange part of the respiratory system is formed A. From external nostrils up to the alveoli, B. From external nostrils to initial bronchioles, C. From trachea to terminal bronchioles, and D. From alveoli to duct of alveoli. So our correct option will be D, from alveoli to duct of alveoli. So moving to the next question, which of the following is correct regarding respiration? A. No organisms can live without respiration. B. It takes place at every time, day and night. C. It involves production of carbon dioxide and water. D. All of these. So our correct answer will be option D, all of these. So moving to the next question, which is the site of actual diffusion of O2 and CO2 between blood and atmospheric pressure? Option A, exchange part of respiratory system, B, conducting part of respiratory system, C, respiratory part of respiratory system, or D, both A and C. So correct option will be D, both A and C. So moving to the next question, earthworm respires through A. Moist skin, B. Ctenidia, C. Cytalum, D. Diplosol. So our correct answer is option A, moist skin. Moving to the next question, the anatomical setup of lungs in thorax is such that any change in the volume of A will be reflected in B. So we have to tell the blanks of A and B. So A, thorax cavity or pulmonary cavity, B, pulmonary cavity or thoracic cavity, C, thoracic cavity or lung cavity, D, both A and B. So our correct option will be option D, both A and C. So moving to the next question, left lungs of human has 2 lobes, B 4 lobes, C 3 lobes, D 5 lobes. So correct answer will be option A 2 lobes. So moving to the next question, the structure which does not contribute to the breathing movements in mammals is A larynx, B ribs, C diaphragm, D internal intercostal muscles. So our correct answer will be option A larynx. So moving to the next question, the process by which O2 rich atmospheric air is drawn in and CO2 rich alveolar air is released out is called A breathing, B pulmonary ventilation, C cellular respiration, D both A and B. So our correct option will be D. So moving to the next question, question number 16, the covering of the lung is called. So our answer is C pleural membrane or pleura. So moving to the next question, in crustacean respiration occurs through A trachea, B gills, C booklings, D skin. So our correct option will be B gills. So moving to the next question, which one respires through gills? A crocodile, B whale, C frog, D prawn. So our correct option will be D prawn. Moving to the next question, book lungs are respiratory structures in present in A Archnida, B mollusca, C mammals, D earthworm. So our correct option is Archnida. So moving to the next question, layer of uneven columnar cells which forms tracheal lining are component of A brush bordered epithelium, B stratified epithelium, C pseudostratified epithelium, D ciliated epithelium. So our correct option will be C pseudostratified epithelium. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and tell me in the comment section the topic of the next video. Thank you.